They say diversity, the art of thinking independently together. Blending the colors of diversity to unite creativity and talent together, Chandigarh University organized AIU's first International Youth Festival, which was one of the largest festivals of its kind in India. Nirvan Singh, a scion of the erstwhile Patiala royal family and social media strategist for the Punjab government, was the chief guest on the first day along with Milan Hovoka, Ambassador Czech Republic.
I think this is an excellent initiative taken by the university. I want to congratulate the Chancellor Satnam Singh ji for initiating such a thing. I think it's a great way to experience different cultures of the world, and I hope that in the future also such exchanges keep happening.
Well, really, it's amazing what the founders of this university have done over the last 7 years. So the impressions are exclusively positive, and we can only congratulate on all these great achievements. And I regret that I'm not younger. I would have loved to make my studies here.
I think this is a fantastic event. We have just arrived 2 hours ago, but I can tell you, that it will be a fantastic evening, fantastic party. I keep my fingers crossed, enjoy every evening, make a friendship and take care. And I wish you, all the best with this festival in the future.
Okay, we have almost 764 universities in the country, and everyone has its unique nature, working style. But last time when we have conducted a National University Youth Festival in Chandigarh University, they proved that they really deserve to have a high magnitude program in this university. So we received many proposals from the various universities, but understanding the exposure of Chandigarh University in the field of youth fair activities, cultural activities, and their credentials in the field of organization of various competitive program in youth. So we decided that this can be the best option to create a history in the country.
And we are very excited about this festival because it is very important for us and for all countries to show their culture, their folk dance and music, and to watch to other countries, because you can't do this every day. This is a very important event, and we first see India. We're very excited about India, about this university. There are many people, so many cultures. It's very important and different for us, but we're very excited.
We love the idea that we are exchanging experiences, and we want to show our beautiful culture and know better other countries.
And we are here at Chandigarh University, AIU International Youth Festival, and this is my dance team, and we are performing folk and cultural of Nepalese tradition. Everything is going really well and everything is really fun here. We're enjoying it a lot. We like to come here again and we like to perform again here.
Oh yeah, I think it's very well organized, and yeah, I liked it. There's so many countries, and
it's a great idea actually. We've been in a lot of festivals like this, and always the experience is different. So we've been excited to came here.
Yeah, it's amazing because I think it's a great experience. We have a first place, and it's really amazing. I would like to say thank you to everybody who shared that stage with us. Thank you guys.
The opportunity that the International Youth Festival offered to the students was to exhibit their skills and talents in the field of culture, literary and other activities on a common platform, certainly to facilitate overall development. Open before the students new vistas of competition and at the same time showed the strengths of camaraderie.